welcome to Crafting with Crystal. So today I'm going to show you how to make a box. Right? This is a cute decorative box that's just made from cardstock and designer paper. But this box is for a reason. So I decided to try the 100 envelope challenge, and that challenge states that you get 100 envelopes. I got my envelopes. I got envelopes that are 3.5 by 5 because I wanted kind of small, cute envelopes. And I knew I wanted to like make a cute little box for it and make it look pretty so it could be on my desk, and it reminds me that I want to save some money. So 100 envelope challenge is a money saving challenge. You gather 100 envelopes. You can either make it or buy it. I prefer to buy my envelopes because it was just easier for me to do so. And it fits really perfectly in this box. So I thought it was cool if I would share how to make this box so that you can do your challenge. So what you do is you label the envelopes from 1 to 100. Then you put the amount that is on the envelope inside of it when you get the money. So a lot of persons, so I shared this in a group I was in. Hi, let's make cards. And people are asking questions like, how does that challenge make sense? And I don't have that kind of money to save it. Like I don't get, like, especially when you get up to the 90s, like I don't have $90 a day to save. So to answer that question, you don't have to save $90 a day. This is called a 100 envelope challenge, not a 100-day challenge. So it's basically whenever you get money, you put it in the envelope. So, of course, in the beginning of this challenge, you're going to be throwing money in there because you have $1, you have $2, you probably have hundreds of dollars or in loose change like $10, $5, and $1 bills. And you put the money in the envelopes as you get to that envelope. And after you fill the 100th envelope, you will have $5,050. That's the challenge. The challenge is to save $5,050. It's amazing that you can save this amount just by using envelopes, and that I think that's kind of the reason for the challenge. So if you put $50 tomorrow, you don't have to put $51 till like the week after or 2 weeks after. Actually, if you'd like to save $5,000 in a year, the year has 52 weeks. It's 100 envelopes. So you can put the amount in the envelope every 2 weeks. So if you get paid every 2 weeks, you could just take that little bit out of your paycheck and put it in there. And in the beginning, you'll probably put from 1 to 25 envelopes in 3 days. So I don't put money every day. It's whenever I have change, whenever I accumulate something. Also, if I have extra money. So like if you go down to day 20, I think I had a $20 extra one day, and I put it in that envelope. So it's just to give you an idea of how you can save money. Let's make the box. Okay, so hey guys, this is so simple, and this is all you need to make your box. And I have all the measurements for these in the description box, so click down there below and let's get started. So I'm going to move these, and we're going to start with some scoring. See, so this is 10 inches. On the 10-inch side, I want you to score at 2.5 inches. And at 7.5 inches. And on the 8.5 inside, I want you to score at 2.5 inches and at 6 inches. Now you have something that looks like this, and really simple. Now grab a scissors, and you're gonna cut just these 4 lines here up to here, right? So let me show you. 1, so I'm cutting on this score line, just up to there. And now you can snip off the top here if you want to. I like to snip it off because it makes your box more flush, and when you stick it together, it would not, you wouldn't see it above the top here. But you know, you can do it if you want to. This is not a necessary step, but I like to do it because for me, it keeps the box looking really nice and flush. Right, so now you're gonna literally turn these up and stick them like so. And turn these up and stick it like that. So let's do that. I'm gonna grab some glue and put a generous amount of glue. On both sides. See that part that we cut off? That's why we cut that off, so that when you stick this together, you wouldn't see it above here. It sticks so nice and neat. I mean, you wouldn't believe how well it looks. Then you're going to take this and stick it up the same way. Make sure and get it flush on the other line. So see, we have one side already stuck. This is so neat. And it looks so, it looks really good. It's a really great way to make a nice box. So now I'm going to put glue on the side here. And stick this side up. Just like so. So you might be wondering, why am I making another box and why did I decide to do this video? Well, one of the reasons was, one, because of all the questions that I got about the 100 envelope challenge, and two, while I made the other box for me to do the challenge with my son, he was very much so wanting to do the challenge himself. So we're going to have $10,000 in our house apparently. It's just a really cute box. Look at that. And let me just show you. So this is my box. This is his own. Envelopes transfer easily into his box. It's a perfect size box. It fits everything so well. So obviously we have to decorate his box because Marion is all pretty and we want his own to be all pretty as well. Okay, so as I said, you have all the measurements for these in the description, so we're going to put them together now. And I'm going to fast forward this process because it's pretty simple, but you can still watch it. You can still watch me do it. So much for watching, and as usual, if you like the content on this channel, feel free to like this actual video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas for any projects that you'd like to see, leave them in a comment below and more than likely I'll make it. And just to show you, look at this, it is so cute. See, so we have two gorgeous decorative boxes that we've completed, and we're gonna have like 10 grand. I mean, how cool is that? No matter how much money you have, having 10 grand is great, right? Stay crafty, my friends.